Welcome to your weekly Perform and Transform podcast. I am your health coach, Aki, and every week we help you apply amazing concepts to your lifestyle to overcome all your barriers through mindset coaching and behavior modification. We're going to start with a powerful why. So most people give up on their dreams too easily. And whether it is weight loss, getting your dream body, being able to travel the world, whatever your dream is, people make excuses about being weak, unmotivated, not passionate enough, or maybe they just don't know where to start or how to start. So the reason why we're here today is to tell you that there's nothing wrong with you. It is not you. It is your approach that's flawed. The reason why you keep quitting on your dream is not because you're unmotivated. It is not because you don't have enough passion. I think you have what it takes to accomplish everything. You have all the strength and passion that you need to accomplish all your goals. And you have what it takes to get to your goals. You just don't spend enough time discovering why you want to change. So today, we'll try to help you understand why it's important to explore the reason you really want to change. So together we'll try to discover a little bit more about what drives you to keep moving forward. And hopefully that will help you unlock your powerful why. So now I need you to ask yourself this. Are you happy where you are right now? If not, then what would make you happy? Now, before we get moving with this, I would like everybody to kind of grab a pen and a paper. There's going to be a few things that I'm going to want you guys to write down. There will be a little exercise at the end, okay? So where I'm going with this is what would make you happy? And I want you to dream big, because it's okay to dream. When you're committed to living a life of your dreams, as long as this why is strong enough, nothing, and I really mean nothing in the world, can stop you from achieving your dreams. So what I'm really saying is you can make your dream a reality. All you have to do is staying committed to achieving your dream. And I will tell you right now, this will take risks, sacrifice, hard work, discipline, consistency, willpower to achieve your dream. You need to take chances. You need to do what you are passionate about. Don't be afraid to fail. If you don't fail, it means you're not trying hard enough. Failure is not the same as quitting. Let me tell you, some days you will feel like giving up. Your knees are deep in problems. You have too much work. You want to throw up. You can't take the pressure anymore. It's too much stress. You want to quit. You will come face to face with fear of failure along the way as you set out to live the life of your dreams. But if your why is strong enough, then you will overcome all of your fear. Let's talk about fear for a minute. Fear shows up whenever we try to push the boundaries of our existence to strive and change. But if your why is strong enough, you'll have nothing to be scared of. Instead, we want you to embrace your fear and use it. Use your fear to grow. Use it to become stronger every time. Most of us are our own obstacles to our dream. So we need to stop sabotaging ourselves. Take the time to truly understand, to explore and understand why you're doing this. A powerful why can be a valuable tool to help you meet your goals. It can also be a weapon to destroy fear itself and move forward. So the secret is, when you're thinking about your powerful why, make sure that it is a well-structured why with strong roots. This way, nothing, nobody, no storm can uproot your desire to grow towards the sky. Don't tell me something like, I want more money. No. Think about what the money will give you in life. Go deep. Dig into the pain. Tell me why you suffer right now, and tell me why you want it to stop. Only then, when you dig into the pain, that you will be able to discover your real why. Your why needs to be bigger than yourself. Your why it's not just a goal or something that is on your mind. It has to become part of you. One that drives you every single day to take action. One that feels like almost like an obsession. Once you figure that out, the why, make a decision.
whatever it takes, whatever you need to do to achieve your dreams, you can do it. And here at Perform and Transform, Patrick and I, we have the process to get you to where you want to be. But you have to make the decision and commit to becoming who you set out to be. Some of you may know John Maxwell. John Maxwell says, when you decide and make a definite choice to do something, the willpower to accomplish that decision is given direction. Let me say that again, write it down if you have to. When you decide and make a definite choice to do something, the willpower to accomplish that decision is given direction. Your willpower is a mighty force that you already have within you. It's just waiting to receive direction. The more definite your direction, the greater your willpower. Because an undecided person cannot tap into the strength of their willpower. John Maxwell, check him out, amazing guy. You can have a dream. You can have a powerful why. But if you do not decide, if you do not commit to doing what it takes to get to your dream, it only makes you a daydreamer. That is why you need to make the decision today that you will do whatever it takes to achieve your dream life, your dream body, whatever it is. Fear, obstacle, rejection, failure will come no matter what. But once you figure out your true powerful why and make a definite decision to realize it, you will become unstoppable. I'll give you guys a few minutes. If you didn't have a pen and pencil, go for it. I'm going to give you guys about 30 seconds or so. If you have any questions so far, drop it in the chat. I'm happy Patrick will answer your questions. Otherwise, we're going to start our exercise. I'll give you a few more seconds. Everyone ready? Okay, so for your exercise, on your piece of paper, create 2 columns. On the left side, write down a list of what you want less of in life. I'll repeat that. On the left side, what do you want less in life? On the right side, write down what do you want more in life? I'll repeat it. What do you want more in life on the right side? Got that? Awesome. Then we'll make another column. Leave some space. Make another column. On the left side, write down things that take away from your happiness. I'll repeat it. Things that take away from your happiness. On the right side, things that bring you happiness. I'll repeat it. Things that bring you happiness. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. So by getting a clear vision of what you want more in life or what makes you happier, you will begin to form your powerful why. Whether it is a long vacation, sailing around the world, buying a house for your family, start cooking a nutritious meal, or lose your muffin top, your success all begins with understanding and stating why it is important for you to meet your goal. So my challenge for you this week is to take the time to get clear on what is important to you. What do you want more in your life? Or what do you want to let go? Then create your powerful why. Set your goal and make it happen. All right? Share your goal and your powerful why on your Facebook, on our Facebook accountability group. Send that to us on your chat on your My Accountability app. So this is basically what I have for you today for our Level Up segment. If you have any questions, I will take them now.
I think some thoughts that I have in mind is like trying to figure out, okay, why do I do what I do? Like what makes me happy? And I think it comes down to like fulfillment for me. Like the reason I'm a personal trainer or online personal trainer is for all of you guys. Like I get so much fulfillment watching you guys smash your fitness goals or telling me that you guys improved your nutrition or like telling me you guys hit your like 20-pound mark. But I get so much joy out of that. And it's because like growing up, I never had like a father figure to give me that. Like my dad passed away when I was like 1 year old. And so I was longing for like recognition. I was longing for someone to see all the good work that I was doing. I was longing for kind of like that status. And so for me, not being able to receive that, like I want to be able to give that. I want to be able to give what I never received growing up to like my son, who's 10 months, to all of you guys, to recognize you and all the hard work that you guys are doing. Because for me, I lack that. And so that's kind of the main reason why I'm doing this. And, you know, when I received that card that my first client gave me of helping him lose 50 pounds and how it impacted his whole life, I'm like, oh my goodness, like he recognized me and I felt so special in that moment. Like, I'm going to do this the rest of my life. Like, I want to commit my life, my mission to serving you guys, you know, in the fitness space, in the wellness space, in the weight loss space, so that I can empower your guys' life and transform as many lives as I can through fitness. So for me, I think what drives me to do what I do is like that significance factor and that recognition factor of like being recognized and also being able to empower and recognize others as well. So that's kind of my powerful why of why I'm doing what I'm doing as a trainer.
Yeah, thank you, Patrick. Guys, thank you so much for listening. We try our best to share things that we believe are really important for everyone to practice every single day. And we have laid out, like I said before, we've laid out a process for you guys to go through and come out successful with all your goals. All you have to do is commit. Okay, and we're here every Saturday at 8 a.m. to make sure that you guys do just that with the accountability portion. So if you guys have any questions.
What thoughts came to mind during Aki's presentation? Like what resonated with you guys? Maybe we'll take a few people to share. Janine, I know.
Can I go?
Oh, Isabella, yeah, go for it.
Who's going, me or Isabella?
Oh, Francesca, go for it.
Okay. I really like the exercise of the 2 columns because I feel like that's an easy process to really figure out what your why is when you don't know what it is. So now you have this visual and feeling attached to it, because as you're writing it down, it's like, oh my goodness, this is what I want. This is not what I want. So I really like that process. So thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, no problem. My pleasure. Feel free to use. The more people we can help out there, the best. Better world for everyone.
Isabella, you had your hand up.
Yeah, I just want to quickly share with you that I am originally from Brazil. My first language is Portuguese, so I immigrated in 2010, but I lived here before. Anyway, when I came here, I decided to pursue a career in teaching ESL, and there was always someone to tell me that it will be easier for people who were born here or who looked white or whatever. I mean, there's always someone to say, oh, maybe that's too hard. Don't. There is always going to be someone, you know, I'm 43 now, but before I used to feel a little bit like disheartened, but I didn't give up. But it still makes you, you doubt yourself, right? And so, yeah, you kind of learn to not listen, and sometimes you don't tell people what you want to do. And now I want to, I want to do this career change because my father, that was his job. He was a sea captain for years and he was away for so long. But anyway, it's like, I want to be a mariner. It's a man's job. So pardon me for saying that, but it's like, it's not that easy. But to me, it's important. I want to do the family tradition, whatever. I want to do it now, you know. And there's always going to be someone to say, you're a little too old, or, you know, you should have done that 10 years ago. You know, it's hard. You're a little bit princess-like to do that. There is always that was your dad. That's not you. Like, there's always going to be someone to say something to you. Yeah, but it's just like a fairy tale, something like just a cartoon you watch on TV, just a fairy tale. Those things don't really exist. They are just tales that someone tells you. It's the same. It's like blah 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 blah. Like your dog, they don't hear you. They just hear blah blah blah. That's what I wanted to share. That's what they say. Like there's always gonna be someone.
Thanks for sharing, Isabella. I
Yeah.
think that's huge. Like you're kind of going against the odds. Like you're pursuing a career where it's uncommon for women to pursue, right? And I think for like all of us, most of our goals is like losing weight. I think that's goes against that as well. Like most of the population is overweight or obese, and so all of us we're fighting upstream. We're going against the odds, right?
Yeah.
Like I always like to say 95% of people who have a gym membership don't even go to the gym, right? So the people that actually go to the gym, they're going against the odds, right? So all of us, we're going against the odds. And so anything that is really, really important, you have to put effort and energy into. So I'm really happy, Isabella, that you're, putting effort and putting energy and pursuing kind of your goal of being a mariner and using us as a tool to help you get fit and healthy for that. So great job.
All right. Any other question, guys? Awesome. Okay. So we're going to see you guys here at 8 a.m. next week as usual on Saturday. Next week, we're going to talk about motivation. This is a really important one. If you have friends and family that want to join this, please do so. Next one is going to be awesome too.